Hello creatives, this is Q from Art and Tinker. So this is our last video in the Tinkercad for Absolute Beginners series, and we'll be talking about a few useful tips as well as the next tutorial series in Mesh Mixer. Alright, now let's discuss some tips about the Workplane. Inside the Edit Grid function, you can edit the unit of the Workplane. You can also find a lot of printing plate configuration, and of course you can make your Workplane bigger or smaller depending on your need. Now, the one thing I also really like and most people don't use is a snap function. So snapping increments are very important in how we are dragging and arranging our objects together. I'm going to decrease my snapping to 0.25 millimeter, and as you can see, when I'm moving my box, it is moving in 0.25 millimeter increments. I can even go lower or turn it off altogether, and I can just freely drag my cube around in any position I would like. So snapping is a really useful configuration, and I recommend that you check it out and play around with it. Another tool I want to talk about is the mirror tool. In earlier videos, we talk about how to rotate an object using directional arrows or precise angle placement. The mirror tool is a way to quickly orient our object, like this wedge right here. I can use the mirror tool to quickly flip my object from left to right. That doesn't do much, so I'm going to try it from this angle. And now I'm going to flip it upside down. So the mirror tool is very useful in quickly snapping shapes into geometrical arrangement. The next thing I want to show you is the show and hide button. This is very useful when you are working with multiple shapes, because even if we can press F and focus on one particular object, I find that it improves my workflow, especially if I'm dealing with intricate design, to focus on only one object at a time. It's also take less processing power for your computer to display only one object instead of multiple ones. So that was the last tip I have for you in this video. Now there are other functions inside Tinkercad, and I highly recommend you to check them all out. Click on all the buttons, make as many mistakes and as many designs as you can, because with experience and experimentation is how you truly will get better at 3D design and modeling. This video concludes my Tinkercad for Absolute Beginners series. Now I am developing and will be releasing another series for intermediate users using Mesh Mixer. It is another free and open source software by Autodesk that is very powerful as well as beginners friendly. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the alerts to know when those videos are going to drop on YouTube. Now if you are itching to get your 3D design skills to the next level and you absolutely can't wait, go check out my playlist on my YouTube channel. I have prepared a few playlists for you to continue learning and keep your skills sharp until the next series drop. If you liked this video and enjoy your lesson today, hit the like and subscribe button. Also remember to check out the Imaginary Art Call from the Royal Arts Collective. Again, this is a paid opportunity, so tell your friends' friends, and submit your design as early as possible. I'm looking forward to see your submission. Once again, this is Q from Art and Tinker. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.